First wrap, kind of touching skin is awesome, but it's not required. And I like it to wrap to the back. So just make sure that you're not wrapping towards the front because of the way you'll see that it ends up. 50% kind of pull on this. And then we just keep stacking. That's probably the last one I'll do, and then follow me around, because then we put this right over the shoulder and I can create tension, or even, can you reach and hold this? It doesn't, yeah, right here. Yeah, you can even hold it.
Yeah.
So now what's cool is it pulls the shoulder back into a better position, and now you can do the movements, whatever you like, from there. And then after you move around for a couple minutes, or whatever you can tolerate, 3 minutes, 4 minutes max, then you take it off.